Today MPTV is with a good topic before you. When we open our Windows 8.1 operating system, we are not getting Wi-Fi icon. So we are unable to connect our laptop with internet. Just go to My Computer icon after pressing Windows icon in keyboard. When you right-click on this PC icon, you will get Manage icon, then press on it. In Device Manager option, you will see Network Adapters. There are only 3 adapters in our system. Then click on Network Adapters once again. Then click on Network Adapters once again. Click on Scan for hardware changes. This one will scan for changes in hardware. You see our problem is solved and we can connect with Wi-Fi now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Never forget to share videos with your friends. See you in next video.